So the other day, I was trying to use this STIHL BG55 blower to kind of blow up some yard debris and some cotton pods that I had on the lawn over there and over here. And I was trying to use the blower and I had a complete loss of power. So the blower, it would start and idle just fine, but then when I put my finger full on the throttle, I had a complete loss of power and it had a hard time kind of blowing anything. So a couple of people online told me how to fix this, and I want to show you how to do this. And this was super easy to fix and simple. So wherein the problem lies with the loss of power on this blower is with this spark arrestor right here. So the spark arrestor is right here, and fixing the spark arrestor is quite easy actually. All you have to do is just put this wrench on this little spark arrestor right here and unscrew this right here like this. It looks like this. Okay, and if you can see this right here, it's totally clogged. So the exhaust is supposed to pass through this screen and come out this hole. So we've got a couple of options. The first option is we could just leave it out completely. The second option I see, we could get a new one from STIHL or an aftermarket. Or I think somebody suggested online that you could take a blowtorch to this and burn off this oil and then put it back in and it'll run just fine. So let me show you what it sounds like with the spark arrestor in and with it out. Okay, so I'm gonna put the spark arrestor back in right here and just do it finger tight so I can show you. I'm gonna turn it on and show you what this thing sounds like. Okay, so it's on right here. When I pull the throttle, I have little to no power. Okay, and it just stalled on me. So now I'm gonna take the spark arrestor out. Okay, so here's the clogged spark arrestor. Let's throw that on the lawn. I'm going to start this machine up. The power to the blower is completely restored and it's pretty much like brand new. It pretty much sucks because I'm sure lots of people have written off their blowers and or their trimmers and just thrown them away because the spark arrestor was clogged. And I'm so glad that somebody told me. So I'm going to try to clean this with a blowtorch and see what happens. So So the blowtorch worked fantastic for burning off the clogged oil. It got really quite red hot and just burned the oil right off. And if you can see this, you can see right through it now. You can see daylight through the screen. And that wasn't the case before. It was totally clogged. Looks to me like it's totally unclogged. Okay, so I've got the spark arrestor back in. I'm going to turn the blower on and see if I have full power. So it's idling good. So now it works great. So all I did was I just adjusted this high set screw for the throttle. I held it all the way down and kind of adjusted this screw just a little bit. And now it's fine. So don't throw your blower away. All you got to do is clean this filter. So there it is. Simple and easy to fix. Thank you for those people that told me how to fix this, because I pretty much had written this thing off and I was pretty ticked about it. So STIHL, if you're watching this video, that's a fail. You shouldn't build something like that that's just going to get clogged up that easy. So maybe this is in the owner's manual on how to fix, but who reads the owner's manual? You just throw those away when you get that and just start using it like you intended when you bought it. So don't throw the blower away, just fix it by cleaning the spark arrestor. So this is an easy fix, and I want to thank those that told me not to throw the blower away and just to fix the spark arrestor. So I appreciate you guys watching these videos, and I will see you in the next one.